in addition to your academic support team and the availability of campus resources. A variety of written resources are available to you as well. One of the many advantages of going to college is that everything you need to know or could ever want to know is written somewhere. You should seek answers to your questions as soon as they arise. Perhaps the most important written resource is the college catalog. Among a wealth of other information, the college catalog contains information about departments and programs, majors and minors, courses offered, degree requirements, the academic and administrative policies that govern students, registration, financial aid, academic advising, and student services, activities, and resources. If you cannot find the information you are seeking in the college catalog, or if you do not understand the information you find in the college catalog, be sure to ask your academic advisor or a professional staff member who works in the applicable department. As tempting or easy as it may seem, never rely on your fellow students to provide you with information pertaining to your academics. At best, they will only have partial information pertaining to their specific situation. At worst, they will not have correct information, which could be detrimental to you. Whenever you have a question or need information, contact a professional staff member. In addition to the college catalog, the schedule of classes is an important written resource. Each quarter or semester, it will contain all the information you need to know about the courses that will be offered that quarter or semester, so that you can make informed decisions pertaining to your registration. Finally, every department, program, resource, activity, and opportunity at your college will have a website containing updated and applicable information. Be sure to review those websites when you have questions or need information. Each website will also contain contact information for the people you can contact to ask questions or to obtain additional information.